The image which you are seeing, this is generated completely by AI, and I use Gemini to do this thing, and Nano Banana together, or any image processor we can use. And this is the original image. So if we check the preview, this is the original image, and using this image I created this type of image. Or you can also create this type of image also, like this. So let's see how we can create this type of image using Gemini and prompt. So I will also give you the prompt which I used for this. So these are the prompts I created. I created on base prompt, and I tuned couple of things, and after that I created couple of version of this prompt. If you need this type of prompt, if you want to copy, or you can build by your own also, I will share the link if you want to use this thing. Okay, now let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to copy this prompt like this, right click and copy, and then we need to open Gemini. So I'm going to open Gemini, and here at first we need to upload the picture. So I'm going to click plus, and then from here I'm going to choose upload file, and this is the sample file, right? So this is a sample file. I'm going to add it, open, and it will be added over there. Now I'm going to paste the whole prompt. From the tools I'm going to choose create images, and from model we can choose the model which I am comfortable. Right now I'm using this model, 2.5 model, and then I'm going to click this submit button, and here we need to wait for a few seconds. It will take like 5 seconds to 30 seconds. We have to wait. So till it generates the image, I'm going to show you some other thing also. So there are some other versions of this prompt. We can right now I'm using this prompt only, which is like balanced and natural. This is for general use, and for commercial you can use this thing, commercial, and it will be looking real. And hyper real render, you can also use this prompt. So these are the different version. You can directly go to the Telegram link which I will give you the video description below. You can copy directly from there. Okay, so let's check the output, and here it is. So this is the image it generated. So it is looking like this. So only this image is real, but other images are created using AI. Now let's check other version of this prompt. So I'm to create this thing based on this thing, realistic studio environment for hyper real render. So I'm going to paste the same prompt here, and again I'm going to upload the reference image. This is the reference image. I'm going to press the open, and then I'm going to press the submit button after choosing the image, and let's see what are the versions it is giving. It gave me like this, and now it will generate different version. We have to wait till it finished, and I think it is generating almost there are 5 seconds. Yes, is there, and now it is generated this thing. So before it was generated like that, and now it is generating like this, and it is more realistic. And that's it. In this way we can use Gemini to generate this type of image very easily.